Okay, so I was going to talk about this little bug that people were finding in their stuff that it's kind of odd that it shows up every now and then, but I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, so there's what we call trunication. Okay, so log trunification would be like this. So let me show you what I have here. I have an example here because I built my server the same way. I have a PHP file here. On the PHP file, I tell it to open up my JSON folder, or excuse me, my JSON file. And I tell it to take the last size of the lines and remove one from the file. If I open up that file and I show you what it looks like, that means it would delete these last three lines. You see that? It would delete those last three lines. Well, the thing is, those last three lines, if I delete them on this page, this won't open if I do that. The reason that it's doing that is because of the input box. So here on the index page, the index.html page, you see this create box. This create box, when I type in hello and I click enter, it will go to this index page and it will delete the last of the file. But the value, you see the value from the input box will be put into this, and then you would see the word right there, and then it would put these three lines. Here's the thing. This is where the bug gets interesting. If I open up this folder right here, that's a misfire. And you know why it's a misfire? Because there's no value, there's no input value that comes from the input box from the user to replace that on the log. So when you go back here and you look, it should be messed up. See it? Now look at the bottom. There's nothing there, right? Now, when I open up this page, I can't open it. See? I can't open it because it's broken. It misfired. You see? This is why I put this in here. So when a human goes to do that, it will say whether it's correct or not. You understand? So let's go back here really fast. So see how it's broken? I'm going to go back here. Oh, I can't go back to the index page. Okay. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to open up the index page. And I'm going to type in a word. Let's see if it fixes. Create. Actually, what was the word I wanted to put in? Hello. We put in the word hello. Okay. Now I close this out. Let's see if it fixed itself. Can I open it up or not? Now I can. You see that? Now it opens. That was the bug. It's the logger getting a misfire. See that misfire? It didn't print, or excuse me, it didn't write to the file and then replace what was missing because it didn't have the correct answer. With that patch I got on there, all you gotta do is just hit that index page and create it and it works back again. That's why I said this input box was connected to a logger that deletes the last file, or excuse me, the last line on the file. And then if there is no input, it breaks that menu. But that's what that meant, log trunification.